how to fix someone else on this PS5 is already using this account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are encountering the error someone else on this PS5 is already using this account, it's likely because the account is still active on another device. To resolve this, you will need to deactivate your account from those devices. And here is how you can do it. You simply need to open a browser. Use a browser on your laptop, phone or any other device and visit playstation.com. Now once you are in the website, simply log in to your account. And once you are logged in, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. And from the drop down menu, simply select account settings. Now once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down to the bottom in the other settings sections and tap on device management option. Now under the device management section, select PlayStation console. Right now I haven't connected any device with my PS5. But here, if you see any devices connected with that, you can simply click on deactivate all device and this will log out your account from all device including any PS5 consoles. And for added security, consider changing your account password after deactivating devices. And that's it. Your account will be no longer connected with any other PS5 consoles. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.